All right, with only one spot left in the top 5, can I have Heather and Clinton join me up on stage? And then we're hoping that one of the judges will save our remaining 3 tonight. So you guys ready? All right, and the individual guaranteed to get to sing again is Heather. Congratulations. Clinton, that means you gotta, use that speech to see if the judges will save you. Go on over to Levi. We'll check in with him in just a second.
You got 30 seconds. Let's hear what you got.
All right. Well, this is, first of all, I want to thank the judges for their positive criticisms and their critiques. This is a wonderful platform for us to share our message of the Lord through music. And deep down at the core, it is a competition. And it's been no secret the last couple of weeks that I'm really not just the perfect one for this competition. And I want to urge the judges so much. We have so many talented people over there. And I want to urge you to use your save tonight for either Alexis or Blake. I'm going to drop out.
Whoa, how about that? Wow. All right, I don't even know what's going on here at the Sound. This is amazing. All right, let's go back to the stage with Lindsay.
Singing Grounded, here's Heather.
Starting to wonder what it's all about. Starting to question reasons behind the shout. Feeling light on my feet. Oh, well, I keep pretending to be at peace with myself, keeping lies, fear and doubt on a shelf. Well, I can't seem to keep my seat.
Okay, so we were talking before you went on, and there's something you wanted to share with us about this song.
Yes, it is an original, so I just wanted to make sure that you enjoyed it before you knew that.
Ooh, All right, you ready to talk to the judges?
I am ready.
I'm ready. I want to hear what they have to say about that one. All right, Jason has his mic up. Jason?
Yeah.
I knew you would like that.
Y'all audience, give it up for her. Listen. Yeah. I'm going to be doing that all night. When I go home, I'm going to look at my wife and be like, yeah. She's going to be like, what was that? Keep me grounded. Listen, the most creative thing that I have seen on this show, I stand up and give you clap. I clap for you. Amazing, creative, innovative, and that's what industry needs. Everybody shouldn't sound the same. If somebody needs to step out and do something fresh, something new, and you make your own tracks, that's what's even.
Track.
Can I say dope on WBNA? Yo, you just made me hype. Like, I mean, for real. Listen, you are amazing, and your future is like, you got, it's like a tanning booth. Like, you gotta have to wear those tanning glasses, because you got it.
You got it. Calm down. Listen. Calm down.
So was it? Were you doing the backup vocals there? Was it?
Yes, great.
Wow. So we can't even criticize her for using somebody else's backup vocals. Okay, all right.
He has spoken for all of us. I can say that. I do want to say thank you because I want the young people. You're amazing. So may I say this to the rest of the young people out in the audience watching? I love the lyric when you said, grounded. We've got to be grounded in Jesus. This is a competition. We want to be grounded. We want to be honed. We want to be sharpened. And that is what this whole competition is all about. Right. And you did it beautifully. And I want every young person out there listening to know you are Psalm 139, please read it. You're a precious gift from God. We're just here tonight serving and just helping to encourage you.
I have to end you right there. I'm so sorry. We want to thank you, Grounded. That was wonderful, Heather. As she makes her way to her seat, I want to invite our remaining contestants up on stage. The ones who are hoping for redemption tonight. Come on up here with me. Will the judges choose to use their save? We don't know yet. They're deliberating right now. So I just want a second to speak with you guys. You were both so humble as you talked to Levi about why you should stay. So let's talk more. I want to know what song you would be singing if you got to sing tonight.
I would be singing Go Light Your World.
Okay.
I would be singing Note to God.
And what's something you feel like you've learned through this journey so far that you know that you're going to take with you no matter what happens?
Not to dance like a robot.
I think just letting God flow through me and not relying on my own abilities, but relying on Him alone.
Easier said than done, right? Well, gosh, you guys have just watching these contestants. I have to say they're cheering for one another. It's not a competitive atmosphere here. It's one of encouragement. So thank you guys for being those beacons of encouragement. And we've just had such a blast. All right, it looks like my judges have a decision. Chris?
Sorry, it took us a few minutes there. It was tough. So that's a compliment to both of you that this was very difficult for us. We are going to use a save tonight. We are going to save Alexis tonight.
All right.
She's going to go on.
Congratulations, Alexis. Blake, congratulations for coming so far. All right, Alexis, let's get her set up and ready. Next to perform is Alexis.
To God, I would speak what's in my soul. I'd ask for all the hate to be swept away, for love to overflow. If I wrote a note to God, I'd pour my heart out on each page. I'd ask for war to end and for peace to mend this world, and I'd say find a way. And all the bitterness, put some tenderness in our hearts. And I'd say, give us the strength to make it through. Help us find love, 'cause love is over too. And it looks like we haven't got a clue. Need some help from you. Grant us the faith to carry on. Give us hope when it seems all hope is gone. 'Cause it seems like so much is going wrong on this road. We run, no, we can't do this on our own. So give us love, and it looks like we haven't got a clue. Need some help from you. Grant us the faith to carry on. Give us hope when it seems all hope is gone. 'Cause it seems like so much is going wrong on this road. We run.
Thank you, Alexis. And as our redeemed contestant, we won't be doing judging. It's up to the voters at home, so you're welcome to have your seat. Well, there you have it, a top 6 for us this evening. So you can watch all these performances again at thesoundlouisville.com. Make sure you place your vote, and we hope to see you here with us next week for the finale of The Sound Season 2, only on WBNA TV 21. Good night, and start voting.